How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies RC. Today on the channel, we're going to be taking out our recently modified and renovated Axial Basecamp, and we're going to take it out onto the rocks today and see how it performs with its new upgrades. We changed it from the stock body to this Nissan hardbody. Painted it red and put it right up on there. Mounted it up beautifully. Looks great. But the main upgrade we're going to be testing today here are the tires and wheels. These are Hobby Park wheels and tires. These are a chrome five spoke design. Pardon me, and then some TSL boggers. These again are from Hobby Park, and inside of them we have Injora inserts. So on the front we have the medium insert, and on the rear we have the soft. So that's what we're going to be testing out on the trails, as well as the wider offset on the wheels to see if we can get some more stability on the trail. So let's get out onto the trails and see how this truck has improved with its new upgrades. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today on Troy's Hobbies RC. That was a run out on the trail with our modified Axial Basecamp. Again, it has the HobbyWing Fusion 1800 2-in-1 system in it. 45 kilogram servo. It has these Hobby Park wheels and tires. The 5-spoke chrome wheels with the plus 5mm offset. And the Hobby Park bogger tires. As well as this Proline Nissan hardbody. This is painted red, just like the truck that I had back in high school. And this thing performed amazing today out on the trails. It was, unless you were doing something really, really beyond its capabilities, this thing tackled just about everything you wanted to do out on the trails today. It's not the fastest truck in the world because it's a crawler, only 1800 kV. In the future, I have some plans for maybe another base camp or another crawler kind of like it in the future, because we're going to do something neat with it, and that'll be a whole other project. But this truck has been an amazing trail piece. Definitely probably my best performing vehicle in my fleet as far as my crawlers go. So I'm very happy with how it came out. It did excellent today. So we just got to get this thing cleaned up. It's pretty muddy and needs a little bit of a wash. But other than that, it's ready to go for its next run. So I just want to say thanks again for watching. Thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new. And we'll see you guys next time. Later.